Hi friends, Chetu back again with another new video. Today I am going to show you the first look of BBM. So if you don't have the BlackBerry ID, just tap on create a BlackBerry ID and go through the process and sign up for a new BlackBerry ID. I already had a BlackBerry ID, so I am going to sign in for now. So just hold on. So there it is guys, I entered my BlackBerry ID and password. So here is the first look of BBM. So it's setting up BBM. So there it is. You can tap here and select a picture if you want. So there are some default pictures and I had my BBM pin here. So these are the sample pictures. So let's go with this one. Click on continue. So you can skip, you can invite by barcode, you can invite through email, you can invite through SMS, you can invite by pin. So I'm going to continue. So here it is, the first look of BBM. So there it is guys. I had no contacts for now. So the first look of BBM. There are some settings. Let's go into the settings. Add your mail ID. Show my country and time. Add the BBM status updates, notifications, tone. Add the vibration, the LED color. Save chat history. Contacts layout. There it is. This you can invite BBM, you can invite to BBM by pin, by email, and add start multi-person chat. At the send broadcast message, I had the start chat option button, and so I don't know, it's a bit hanging I think. Contacts at the groups, at the 0 chats available, at the contacts, groups, updates, invites, had everything. So you can update the status here. So here are the updates. You change the display name, change the display picture. So you can update your status here. So that's it guys. BBM for Android is at last live. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. It's goodbye for now.